Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Capcut tutorial how to speed up video. So for example, we have this simple video and then I will clip from this point and also click again in this point, you can clip. So I will speed up in this timeline. You can select the timeline and then go to speed buttons in the top right. Now the set will be set into standard and you can click these icons to speed up. Like I will move into here. Timeline will be automatically short. And then if you play, it will be create speed up. Like this. Okay, that's it for a basic CapCut tutorial how to speed up video. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.